Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Kola Edokpayi, the human rights activist with the base for Benin City for Edo State, say he enter train from Agbor, Delta State, they go Abuja. The train come spoil for road. He dey thank God, say kidnappers no come kidnap them for the forest where the train for spoil. Make I leave you, make you hear from Kola Edokpayi.
Nowadays, we just bought the train from Agbor to go Itakpe. Itakpe, the last place of destination, point of destination. So now, they come, the train, according to them, develop technical error for inside bush or evil forest. But we spent about 1 hour for the evil forest before the train can start, come manage and reach Uromi. At the back end, they see passengers, they stranded, the thing see spoil. Passengers they stranded for the train station. Yeah. Passengers they frustrated and stranded. Yes. We are stranded at Uromi train station. So at least this one are waiting. They collect money every day. They're supposed to be fixing. How be say they're supposed to be fixing. Train just they get issue unnecessarily. But develop claim this kind of thing will happen. So no say one or two things come up with that bush just now. When the person for talk, I've not numbers of people where did this train. At least this one what they give, at least this one major source of revenue and very nice means of mass transportation. So they're supposed to be fixing from time to time. They're supposed to be fixing to make sure say yes, this kind of things not they happen. Say passengers are stranded. Say we all get stranded here. We never know the next line of action now. I never know the next line of action. Whether that train come or not. So passengers are stranded. So I don't know. Okay, go talk. Talk now.
Okay.
What have your experience so far?
The experience is very, very okay. Just that we still need to up our game. Because we lost 2 times now. The first one for over 1 hour. And where we begin, nobody will come outside. So imagine say that kind of thing. Not coffee do the technical issue. So this one made me remember the Abuja Kaduna issue. Most of passengers were also kidnapped. And this is from that time. That time at the time of Agbor and Meji. So a lot of people went to one stage. The second stop, we were supposed to reach by at least 2 o'clock till the never even reach out. That means that night we didn't enter where we go. The government can do better. Saying it's okay, conducive and everything, but in terms of this technical error, what will make money for the video? It's a moment that they repair and they maintain and they at least all these kind of things, don't even get rapid response. And this one break down for them. And that one can go to the destination. So we believe say this video will the local authorities will do the right thing. So that at least because imagine say this to the Agbor every day. The party work on the show, passengers will always stop. And Bongo with the most here.
The Bongo, yes. Now only for Bongo this thing for the happen. Welcome to Republic of Bongo. Yes, at least government need to at least intensify their efforts to make sure say yeah, this kind of things they happen. Both good. Make sure say this kind of things they happen again. Yes, just they stranded, but we know say government go at least our crime they do the needful.
Now we don't hear from Kola Edokpayi. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe. so that make you for dey hear all the things wey dey happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching that AIG YouTube.